The 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS 427 has arrived, and it's rewriting the book on what a modern American muscle sedan should be. For years, gearheads have begged GM to revive the classic Impala SS badge, especially the legendary 427 nameplate. Now, in 2026, Chevrolet has answered with a bold mix of heritage, brute force, and futuristic technology. Let's talk numbers first, because numbers speak loudest in this game. Under the hood, the Impala SS 427 packs a naturally aspirated 7.0-liter V8 engine. Yes, the big block 427 is back. It cranks out an eye-watering 525 horsepower and 520 pound-feet of torque. No turbos, no hybrid assistance, just old-school, American displacement done right. The engine is a modernized version of the LS7, with direct injection, variable valve timing, and a lightweight aluminum block to keep things balanced. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a Tremec 6-speed manual transmission as standard. Yes, you heard that right, manual. For the purists. But if you want convenience, there's also an optional 10-speed automatic with paddle shifters. Either way, the car rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.9 seconds and tops out at 180 miles per hour. This isn't your grandfather's Impala. But Chevy didn't just build a straight-line bruiser. They gave the new SS 427 adaptive magnetic ride control, a limited slip differential, and a completely re-engineered chassis tuned by the same performance team behind the Camaro 1 Zelati. The result? A full-size sedan that handles like a much smaller car. It grips hard in corners, stays flat at high speeds, and stops on a dime thanks to massive Brembo brakes at all 4 corners, 6-piston fronts and 4-piston rears. Design-wise, the 2026 Impala SS strikes the perfect balance between retro and modern. The front fascia is aggressive, with LED split headlights, a wide mesh grille, and a sculpted hood with functional heat extractors. Along the sides, muscular fenders and 20-inch forged wheels give the car a planted, confident stance. Out back, quad exhaust tips sit under a subtle rear diffuser, and the SS badge sits proudly on the trunk, just like in the old days. Inside, it's a whole different story. This is no stripped-out muscle car. The cabin is upscale and tech-heavy, featuring a 14-inch digital gauge cluster, a 15-inch infotainment touchscreen with Chevy's latest UI, and wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The flat-bottom steering wheel is wrapped in Alcantara, and the sport seats, available in leather or microfiber suede, come with aggressive bolstering and SS embroidery. Even better, there's room for 5 adults in a spacious trunk, making this one of the most practical performance cars on the market. Chevrolet didn't forget about safety and driver assistance either. You've got lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, rear cross traffic alert, blind spot monitoring, and GM's Super Cruise semi-autonomous driving system as optional equipment. So whether you're carving up backroads or commuting in traffic, the SS 427 can adapt. Fuel economy. Well, let's be honest. You're not buying this car for that. Still, GM managed to squeeze out 17 mpg city and 25 mpg highway with the automatic, which isn't bad for a 7-liter V8 in a 4,200-pound sedan. Pricing starts at $59,995, which puts it in direct competition with the Dodge Charger Scat Pack and even the BMW M550i. But with its combination of raw power, classic American muscle attitude, and everyday usability, the 2026 Impala SS 427 makes a strong case for itself. In a world going electric, the Impala SS 427 stands proudly as a last hurrah for big displacement, rear-wheel drive American sedans. It's loud, it's unapologetic, and it's the kind of car that makes you remember why you fell in love with driving in the first place.